tonight we are answering all your legal questions live about dealing with debt. And we don't have a call. Yeah, we do have a caller on the line holding. Taylor from Jackson is on the line. Welcome, Taylor. And what is your question this evening?
Hi, good evening. My question, I actually have two. My question is, I started out in a bankruptcy, and it would be actually ending. I took out a Chapter 13, me and my spouse. However, we're almost at the end of it, but around this beginning of the year, they actually went to court, petitioned the court to increase our wage garnishment, and I didn't quite understand that, and so I contacted them and asked them why was there an increase in the amount that will be taken out on my spouse and myself twice a month out of both of our payrolls. And so I couldn't figure that out. So is that legal that they're able to go and increase a garnishment? Actually, not letting you know that because there wasn't an increase in neither of our wages. And so now we're at the end of it. We're now kind of like a little bit of struggling trying to allow them to take those extra amounts of money out.
Wow.
So is that legal to do that?
Thank you, Taylor. Wow. That didn't seem fair to me, but I'm not the attorney.
Hey, Tamika, look, I'm like you. This is a prime example, and I say it every week. This is the case where you need to talk to a professional, somebody that specializes in bankruptcy, and there's no one better than Rachel Coxwell, and she's on the line. So I'm going to pass the torch to her and let her talk about this question substantively.
Okay. So, yes, even though it can be very frustrating, completely understand, there are multiple reasons of why plan payments would increase. I cannot tell you off the top of my head on why yours specifically would increase. You can always call your trustee that is in charge of your bankruptcy, or you can call, of course, your attorney that you hired. And if you didn't hire one, any bankruptcy attorney will be able to look up your bankruptcy case and kind of dig in there and see what may have happened. But specifically why they did, I'm sorry, I can't answer that one. But yes, usually you can go in and increase, and there are a multitude of reasons of why.
Can you give some examples?
Yes.
Not particularly for this person's case, but just some examples of.
Yeah. Now, at the end of a bankruptcy, it would be if something came in and it wasn't caught correctly, the trustee would modify if they ended up being low on funds to finish out the case. In the middle of it, it could be your mortgage company. If you have that in your bankruptcy, they might have changed your escrow amount, and that would cause your plan payments to increase because your mortgage note is in those payments. If a creditor filed a claim that was for more than you anticipated it was, that would also cause an increase.
Okay. Thank you so much for your call there.